Hi, I'm Ghanashyam, Head of Technology and Ecosystem Enablement at Beehead Private Limited. You should be knowing what is TBB from the introductory video as well as the technical article which is provided in this module. In this video, I will be providing more detail about TBB or the threading building blocks. Threading building blocks or TBB is a library that supports scalable parallel programming using the C++ code. It is a C++ template library of pre-tested algorithms and features which allows developers to efficiently thread C++ mobile applications for performance and also lowering the system energy. In threading building blocks, you will be specifying the tasks instead of manipulating the threads. So the TBB will logically map the tasks into threads and manage the execution. TBB provides a rich set of components to efficiently implement higher level task-based parallelism. Also, TBB ensures that your applications are future-proof, thereby tapping the multi-core and many-core processors which Intel will be releasing in the future. In TBB, tasks are lightweight entities which are specified at the user level. The parallel algorithms then maps these tasks internally into threads, and this management is done automatically. There is a scheduler which is present in the TBB, that is the task scheduler manages the thread pool. The task stealing technique which is present in the scheduler ensures that oversubscription or undersubscription of their core resources is prevented. As you can see, for TBB you need to include the following variables or following parameters in your android.make file. In application makefile, you should also specify that you are using GNU standard template libraries. Apart from these, in your Java code, you need to load the GNU template libraries as well as the TBB libraries apart from your native library. This is an example in which you are calculating the value of pi in 10 million steps. You can see that you are calling this parallel reduce function. What parallel reduce function does is it breaks down the whole for the reduce function into multiple small threads and ensures that the calculation happens in a faster pace. So let me show you an application which has the TBB functions. This application is developed using the parallel for algorithms from TBB libraries. So when we select auto as the number of threads, you can see that it automatically assigns the thread by itself and loads the image. Let us select 2 threads. So you can find that it takes 12 seconds to load. Whereas when we are selecting 8 threads, it just takes 8 seconds. This example demonstrates the power of TBB. TBB can be downloaded from threadingbuildingblocks.org, that is the open source code. If you want the licensed version, you can download it from software.intel.com website. If you have any questions, you can send us an email at intelapps@beehead.biz. Thank you.